So although it's a forward-facing speaker on this TTI TCB1100, we'll still use the bench dog to prop it up somewhat. And I will also go into our extension speaker after I've made initial contact with Mr. Chippie, because it's unfair to comment on a set with a 1-inch forward-facing speaker. I think we'll switch the squelch to auto. No, I'm changing channel. It's the volume I want. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. So you've got a full set of bars. It's pre-programmed. Doesn't matter how we set the power on the radio, it'll always show a full set of bars. So don't get excited.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Luckily the S meter is adjustable. Let's plug this extension speaker in.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. So I've got the map this time. Here's Ancaster. We're in Lincolnshire in England. So we started off end of the lane, Ancaster service station. His next call will be Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
I take it the petrol station was shut.
Is that, yeah?
Roger. So there we go, Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So that's the top of the hill. Ancaster, top of hill, scratchy corner is there. Right at the bottom of the hill.
21 to Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around scratchy corner, and I'm on a TTI TCB1100, which is a set from about 2014. It's doing 3.7 watts.
Roger that, all received.
Roger. Now we'll go back to internal speaker. Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing. So the 3 mile point is there, and his next one, the Kelby turn, is there.
Alright, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. So that's the 4 mile point. So that's there. So the 5 mile point is Grayleys there. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. So once again, that's the Grayleys turn, and Rossby level crossing. He's actually really only about half a mile further, but he actually carries on talking. There's a petrol station about 400 yards further. Then he goes on towards a roundabout that's off the map, which is the heading towards Sleaford, and that's where he finishes talking to us from, which is the 6 mile point. Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Is the petrol station still open?
Roger that. Prices are unchanged.
66.7, 96.9. Roger. Well, that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Okay, that worked great. So again, although this set didn't look fantastic on the sound anemometer, the sensitivity's certainly there, but probably with some noise, which is why that reading isn't as good as some sets. It was the squelch. This auto squelch was working right down to 0.3 of a microvolts, and nobody can argue over that. And the radio, as presented, was it 2.7 watts when it came in? It's now 3.7 watts. You know, so there we are. It's going to be an improvement. But whatever caused that short circuit and to burn out that choke, I just hope it's been addressed. Otherwise, exactly the same thing's going to happen when he gets this set back, and that will be the end of the set. So there's the map, and I'll probably bring this out again when we're doing these on the air test. We'll go over to our Midland base station and we'll see how it sounds. We've got the factory original mic.
Tango 21 testing the TTI TCB1100 into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original microphone, testing